Hi everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be making some roasted chickpeas in the Ninja Foodi. So let's just jump right in and get started. So to make this delicious snack, you're going to require one 15-ounce can of garbanzo beans. They've been rinsed under cold water, and you want to dry them off just a little bit. We're just going to pour these right into the pan. Now to this, we're going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, that tastes like bacon by the way, and a dash of cayenne pepper. You can put on as much or as little as you want. I just like a pinch of it. You're also just going to put in just a pinch of cumin. The last ingredient, this is 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast. You can use Parmesan cheese instead. This is what it looks like. It's the Bragg nutritional yeast seasoning. This tastes like cheese. It's very, very good. So we're just going to go ahead and put that in. Then all you're going to do is just give this a stir. Look at that. The colors are fantastic. This is a perfect snack. You're just going to pour them right into the air fryer pan. Take your spatula, separate them out just a bit. All right, close the lid. We're going to hit air crisp. Temp, we're going to bring it down to 350. The time, we're going to set it for 20 minutes and just hit start. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. We're just going to open it up. Give these just a quick stir. They are looking great. Look at that. All right, see you in 10 minutes. Okay, it's been the 20 minutes. Now it's in the cool phase. It should be done in a second and we'll pop the top. All right, it is done. Look at that. These smell great. And listen to that. Now, I can tell you one thing. If you take them out of here and let them stay in the air crisper basket for, I don't know, a couple minutes, they will continue to get hard. And they'll be a great, crunchy, delicious snack. So let me let these cool and we'll do a taste test. Okay, it's time for that taste test. Here's those roasted, air crisp chickpeas. I did add a little bit of salt. I'm a salt lover, so I did add it. You don't have to, but let's just go ahead and do that taste test. Let me get close so you can hear me crunch. These are really good. My only recommendation is add a little bit more salt. The smoked paprika gives it like a nice smoky bacon flavor, and perfect snack. It's a healthy snack, so please like and subscribe and enjoy these.